Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you, and I hope that you will join me. On my trip to the Dollar Tree this week, I found this sign. Look at that. It says love, and then it says love you more on the side. They are so cute, and it's got the wood grain as a background. Oh, amazing. Now, I bought two of them because I want to deconstruct the sign and put it back together. But yeah, I hope it turns out well. Other than that, I have messed up a beautiful sign. But it is so cute, isn't it? Adorableness. I love those. And then I picked up a glue and residue eraser. I have some somewhere in my craft room. I know I have it. I can't find it though. Who knows where it's at? So I bought another one. So this is a tool every crafter should have in their craft room. And you should know where it is at all times, unlike me. So I'm happy to have an eraser again. Let's see. And then I picked up this Valentine stickers. So you get 56 pieces in here, and then you get 2 sheets of hearts. Look at that. And they are like, they give off that like foil metallic effect. Isn't that cute? I like them. That's why I picked up 2 packages. Now I have enough hearts to last me for years. And speaking of stickers, look at this one. These are puffy stickers by Crafter Square, and you get 13 pieces in here. You get, let's see, you get 7 locks and you get 6 keys. Isn't that cute? I know there's times that we don't like to put like thick stickers into the journals, but this is one of those times you want to like, yeah, sure, I'm going to make it fit. But I was looking at this, right, and I'm thinking this key might work in here. Look at that. How cute. I'm glad that fits in there. That is adorable. They are just so cute. So I bought 6 of these. Yeah, I'm going to have plenty of locks to work with. And then this one, look. This one has 7 pieces. Oh, these are so gorgeous. Look at the frames on these. And then they have images inside. So what I want to try, I want to take the image out and replace it. And I want to see how that works. I should be able to do it with like the round ones and the square one. I don't know about this one. I don't want to chance it because you got the scallop in there. But I think it'll look stunning if I can replace the image. But how beautiful is that? They're so cute. So I bought 6 of these also. Lately, I have noticed that Dollar Tree is putting out a bunch of wall posters. So I took advantage. Let me show you. See, I picked up that one. It is 36 by 24 inch. It is beautiful. Got that mountain in the back, and then you got trees, and it's a river right through the center, and it is so gorgeous. I mean, there's somebody's house back there too, but that's okay. It is really beautiful. And yeah, I only picked up the one. I also found the cutest craft kit ever. This is a Valentine craft kit, and it is a scratch and reveal, and you get 6 stickers, 1 tool. Let me see. Oh yeah, Well, I kind of glanced at it at the store. I didn't really pay attention to see if it had a stick, but yeah, really cute. So, look at this. It's got the little monsters. Isn't that adorable? So you can use this, you know, like of course for Valentine's. But I was thinking these would look fantastic with Halloween. And I'm going to put these away and do my crafting projects for Halloween. You know, include this into those projects. But look at that. How cute are they? Adorableness. So you only get 6 stickers. So I did pick up 4 packages. But how adorable. But I want to get some more because I was thinking that I can use this when I do like projects for the trick-or-treaters, right? I think it's going to be fantastic. So I'm going to check another store to see if they have any more of the monsters. Now, when you go to your store, they do have other images available. So, you know, we'll take a look. I couldn't tell you what they were because I forgot now. You know, my memory's getting bad nowadays. And then I found these cutest ever, what are they? Flavored lip gloss. Look at this one. It is by Taste Beauty. And this one is Taste Squad Blueberry Blast. And it's Over the Moon. Isn't that a cute little alien ever? I picked up 2 of these. Oh, so cute. And then they also had this one. This one is Tutti Frutti with a donut. It says, "Don't worry, be happy." These are gorgeous. You know what this reminded me of? These little lip gloss. When I was young, you know, a long time ago, my aunt, she sent me a lip gloss, and it came in some sort of a container like this. I remember it was like really, really cute. And then she says, "Look, if you touch this side on the end, it opens up." And I remember it, there was like a lip gloss in there. How cute, right? Imagine giving it to somebody, you know, like trick-or-treater, and he's got the latch there. That's so adorable. So, and then there's this one too. This one is Passion Fruit Punch. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? Just adorable. And then they also had this one. This is Candy Bar Brunch. Oh, look at this. How cute is that? Adorableness. So I'm going to put these aside and let me see. Is there an expiration on this? I did not even pay attention. I was thinking ahead, like, you know, months and months from now for Halloween. It doesn't really have one. I don't see one, so it must stay good forever. But yeah, I found these 4 here, and I may go back and get some more, maybe another full set. But how cute are these? Well, you know, if you like, you can give those away for Valentine too, right? If you make it like a Valentine package, you put those in there for your little ones. Now, if you're shopping for adults, this is the way to go. Godiva, Belgium, 1926 masterpiece chocolate. So I picked up dark chocolate. I picked up 2 of the dark chocolate, and I picked up 2 of the milk chocolate with caramel in it. How deadly, right? Oh, goodness. Now, I know they make milk chocolate too, so I'm on the watch out for milk chocolate. It's just that my home store didn't have the milk chocolate, so I'm going to tuck these away till Valentine's. Okay, I'm not going to lie. I'll probably devour it before then, so You know, there is always hope that I will save it till Valentine's Day. This is what I picked up on my trip to the Dollar Tree this week. I will definitely go back this coming week because, you know, I just can't stay away. Oh, goodness. Yeah, I had fun, as you can tell. But I really am glad that I found a new racer. I really needed one the other day and I couldn't find any. So I'm quite happy with my eraser now. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.